What's up guys? Today it's really dark and dreary outside, but I still feel like taking photos, so you guys are gonna join me and we're gonna find something to shoot. Let's go. Place has changed quite a bit since I've been here. It's another solar farm going up all over the place in this area. Okay, I'm just going to explain what you guys saw just now. So, I pulled by the spot I was originally going to photo shoot and then realized it's now occupied. It was an abandoned structure beforehand. Somebody renovated it, props to them, and looks like they were currently occupying the property. So, not going to shoot that one. Bad idea. So, next best spot. I haven't been here in a long time. It is the Mantino Insane Asylum. I think I just found my first shot. I also forgot to mention all of these shots are going to be black and white today, especially with all of the really dull, dark weather. It's just not blending very well with all of the fall colors that are on the trees right now. So, found the next shot. Alright, and off to find the final spot. Let's see what we can find here. Alright, and I found the final spot. This thing is pretty sweet. This composition, especially with it just lying in the grass here, is exactly the type of abandoned aesthetic that I like to go for. So, yeah, this will be my last shot. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you next time.